Hey everyone, I'm getting ready for my upcoming trip to St. Maarten, and I thought I'd share with you what I'm packing for my 1-week beach vacation. In today's video, I'll share what I pack in my suitcase, what I bring with me in my carry-on, and some tips I use to stay organized as I travel. So let's jump right in and I'll share what I include in each category as I pack for my trip to St. Maarten. I will be packing in 2 of these 26-inch hard shell suitcases. My carry-on will be this lug backpack, and I will also be using this small black purse. So I don't typically bring a lot in my purse. I usually just bring my passport, my wallet with some local currency, my credit cards and ID, hand sanitizer, a pen in case you need to fill out any documents, Gravol because I do get motion sick, some gum, and a chapstick. In my carry-on, I typically like to bring a change of clothes just in case. So I usually have a pair of shorts, a tank top, a dress that can also act as a beach cover-up, and a bathing suit. I like to bring my flip-flops with me so that I can hit the beach right away and usually change into these on the plane or before I get to my destination. I always bring my makeup. I don't really have a lot, but whatever I do have, I bring with me in my carry-on. My larger camera, my Kobo, a pair of sunglasses, a mini tripod, all of my charging cables, and a mini battery. When it comes to clothing, this is what I typically pack when I go to an all-inclusive resort: various bathing suits, a beach cover-up, a pair of shorts, 3 t-shirts, one of these I will wear on the flight home, 2 tank tops, 6 dresses. Some of these will also double as beach cover-ups depending on what I need and what I wear to dinner, a light sweater in case it's cold in the evening, 2 pairs of socks, and a pair of pajamas. Not shown here are my underwear and bras that I will also be packing in a packing cube and dividing between my luggages. When it comes to accessories, I normally bring way too much. This time I'm trying to be a little bit more minimalistic. Here I have a long gold necklace, a long silver necklace, a silver and a gold bracelet, a few pairs of earrings, a straw hat that is essential for at the pool, a baseball hat just in case, a pair of sunglasses, and a small purse that I can use around the resort that will fit my cell phone, my room key, and probably just a lip chap. When it comes to my toiletries, people may think I'm a little bit over-prepared, especially when it comes to my first aid medical travel kit. I've done a full video on that and I'll link it in the description box below, so check that out to see everything I bring there. But for the most part, it's medicines and things to make sure you're feeling your greatest while you're on vacation. Over here I have Q-tips, deodorant, extra hair accessories, a brush, my straightener, shine spray for my hair, hairspray, 2 kinds of sunscreen, a mini sewing kit, face wash, a razor. I've put some Downy wrinkle release into a spare bottle, static guard, floss, toothpaste and brush, and shampoo and conditioner. And that's basically it for my toiletries. Here are the sandals that I'll be packing for this trip. Birkenstocks because they are my go-to if you cannot tell by how worn out they are. These ones that are a little bit dressy but still flat and comfortable, and then a silver pair that are also super comfortable as well. I have 1 pair of beach sandals that I put in my carry-on, and I will be wearing a pair of slip-on sneakers on the plane, so I'll have those as well. Now for the miscellaneous items I bring in my suitcase. Here you will see I bring a beach towel because sometimes I like to have my own. I bring towel clips to make sure that the towels don't fly off the beach and pool chairs. I have a steamer for my clothes, a deck of cards, a beach bag, a book in case something happens to my Kobo and I need an actual paperback, and a pool float that I haven't taken out of the box. I will not bring it in the box, just the actual plastic piece inside. So now that I've shown you what I include in each of my categories, I thought I would share some of my favorite packing tips. I personally like using packing cubes fabric pouches, and fabric bags when I'm traveling because it helps me stay organized. It's also incredible how much you can actually compress into one of those packing cubes so you can fit even more in your luggage. Another quick tip is to bring wrinkle release spray or a travel steamer. No matter what I do, I always end up with some wrinkles when I get to my destination, so I like to have those on hand because I prefer the spray or steamer to ironing. So wrinkle release spray and a steamer and you're all set. For toiletries that can explode, I like to put them into large Ziploc bags. This way you can be resting easy knowing that your clothes will not end up with shampoo or hair oil or perfume all over them. So I like to use the large Ziploc bags, and then I put that inside a shopping bag and tie it tightly and put it at the bottom of my suitcase so that if anything explodes, my clothing should be safe. For anyone traveling with a spouse or partner and you're checking your luggage, this tip might work for you. My husband and I have 2 medium-sized suitcases that we typically bring on our vacations. I like to pack half of my clothing and accessories in one and half of my stuff in the other one, and then my husband's stuff gets divided into 2 as well, so half goes into one suitcase and half goes into the other. I usually divide our toiletries in half as well so that each of the suitcases are balanced, and this way, if one of our suitcases go missing in transit, we should be okay when we get to our destination because we have enough in that suitcase that will last us for a few days, or maybe even the entire trip. So that's everything I pack for 1 week beach vacation and a few tips that I like to use when I'm packing. If you have tips of your own, leave them in the comment section below because I'm always looking for new travel tips. So if you like this video, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more travel related videos that I'll be posting very soon. Thanks for watching and safe travels.